Alright guys, we're back with the Beetle update. I finally got the hubcaps on with the logos painted to match. Looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Got it on both sides. Another update, I got the gauge pod for the middle. So I removed the gauge pod that was on the left side, put it here, and in the future I'll be putting two more gauges. Simple ones, not hard. I'm going to do a coolant temperature or water temperature gauge on that side, and on this side I'm going to do battery voltage because I really want to do either air to fuel ratio, or the other one is oil temp, but those are extremely hard to get to like even try to. So I'm just going to do two easy ones just to make it look nice. You know, coolant temperature, I know how much the temperature is. Battery voltage, you know, make sure you don't, you know, make sure your battery's good. You know, your battery dies, you're gonna be stranded. So the car's really dirty. I love those drinks, by the way. So guys, after all this work, I finally found the reason. Well, we had an issue. I just changed my timing belt. So for some reason, the pin that held this in fell down there. You see the belt? All the way down there, right there, dead center, where the belt disappears into. It fell in there, and then it was scraping the belt all on the right side. So I had to get a new timing belt, new water pump, new timing belt tensioner, and new pulley. I also changed out, I also heard this can cause boost issues and low fuel mileage. Is the camshaft sensor, if I'm not mistaken. Got this really cheap on Amazon, but I kept the old one just in case. So as you guys already know, I also changed out the boost solenoid. I put in the other diverter valve, not the old one, but the new one. I bought after that. I put that on, but I'm also gonna try out the silver one I also got. But to let you guys know, the issue with the boost was the wastegate. But for some reason, as you can see, the screws, that black mark on top, that's the adjustment. When you do 3 turns of adjustment, it's only going to give you 5 pounds. No wonder I've been getting nothing but 5 pounds. If I had the old wastegate, and changed out the boost solenoid, it would have been good. But since I replaced the wastegate, I had to turn that more. So I've been turning it 2 to 3 turns, and then taking it for a drive around the block and putting full throttle to see how much. And so far I'm getting 8 pounds. So I'm gonna do it a few more turns. I want to get at least 11 because I know it drops down. I'm gonna try to go for 12 because I know it drops down after that. So I mean, I'm not gonna be pushing this car like full throttle all the time. It's just for quick accelerations on the highway and on the street, whatever. So I'm gonna go do that now, and then I'm gonna test it out. So I put it on back the RKX diverter valve. Another update, I also changed out this hose back here that goes into the intercooler pipe, and that connects to the top of the boost solenoid. The one on the left boost solenoid goes into the wastegate. I also relocated my boost gauge. So I have my boost gauge T-pin off of this. So this one originally goes straight into here. So I teed it off. I'll adjust this in another date. I'll just cut it short and put it here. But I made it long because I didn't want it to, you know, bend. So I TP'd off. I went through this compartment, straight up through there, and into the new gauge. So did already 4 more rotations on the wastegate. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and see how much boost I get. I got it zoomed in to the boost gauge. I did 4 extra rotations, as I just said. We're gonna take it a quick spin around the block. I almost hit 15. I don't know if that's safe. We're gonna try that again. I was holding on to the camera because the stand wasn't holding up. I hit 15? I mean, I guess it's good because I'm not gonna be hitting 15 all the time. I need at least 12. Okay, that was 9. So I'm hitting about 11, 12. That's actually feeling really good. It's complete and working properly and giving proper boost. If you guys like it, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. For any future comments, if you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section below and I'll pick one of them out, try to do it. Thanks guys for watching and see you next time.